It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to add relevant tag to your YouTube video with just your smartphone. I will show you the simple and easy way to add relevant tags to your YouTube video, step by step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you love content about YouTube topic, consider to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, so each time I post valuable content about YouTube topic like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see step by step on how to add relevant tags to your YouTube video without any stress and get more view on YouTube. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to add relevant tags to your YouTube video with just your phone. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to make sure we have YouTube Studio app on our phone. If you don't have YouTube Studio app on your phone, it's a free app that allows every YouTuber to modify, upload, or do anything from their back end on YouTube. So this app is very much important that every YouTuber must have, and it's a free app. So I'm going to just launch the app because I have it already on my phone. Then when you open up the app, it takes you straight up to your channel. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to content. Then from content right here, you need to select which of the video you want to add relevant tags to. Okay, so I'm going to use this video. Okay, I'm going to click on the video link. Having clicked on the video link, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on this pencil icon. Then the first thing I will do and then I will make sure I select all the title from the top to down and make sure I copy it. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is for me to add tag. So for me to add tag, I need to make sure I click on here. Then this is going to open up. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I add my tags right here. So for me to do that, I just have to click on here. I'll make sure I click and hold down and paste my title. Then having pasted my title, I will make sure I click on next paragraph. So I have had the first tags. The next thing I'm going to do is to continue to add the tags into the video tags video. I'll click on the next paragraph, then how to send money to China. Then next paragraph, then send money to China. Next paragraph. So all your tags needs to relate to the title of your video. If you have been struggling and finding it difficult to see how to generate a relevant tag, let me quickly show you a website where I always use to generate tags for my YouTube video. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make sure I head over to my Google Chrome right here. Google Chrome. Then from address bar right here, I will just type in rapid tags, then search. So this is the first result right here. I'm going to click on here. Then on getting to this site, next thing you want to do is to just click on use tag generator. Then enter your YouTube title here, then click on search. So it's within few minutes, it's going to generate so much tags that you can use for your video. You can see pay supplier in China with Alipay Top Pass, how to start drop shipping with no money, how to send money with Wise, how to send money to China from US. So let me just go back to my YouTube Studio right here. So how to send money from US to China. Next paragraph, how to transfer money from Alipay. Next paragraph, how to send money from Alipay to China. Next paragraph. So you can begin to go to the site and check on the tags and come back here and enter it into your YouTube video right here. So I'm going to fast forward this video and complete the tag section. Okay. And don't forget, you have to add at least maximum of 500 character into this particular tag section. So once you've had the maximum of 500 words character into the tag section, next thing you want to do is to click on here. Then come to the top right here, make sure you click on save. It's as simple as that. But in some cases, if you're trying to save the tags in your video and the tags refuse to save, just like what you experience, and the tag refuse to save, what you need to do is to make sure you reduce the number of tags you have added into the tag section. By that, you will be able to save the tag, because if you had maximum above 500 character as the maximum you can use on YouTube, you will not be able to save the tags. That's just the basic truth. So make sure your character is not exceeded 500 in YouTube tag section. So this is how to add tags to your YouTube video using just your phone, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about YouTube topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.